Hi, this is Brent McKim, President of JCTA. We've had some members reach out to us through our social media channels and ask about the status of the teacher retirement system in terms of bills in the General Assembly. And there's actually good news on the TRS front this year. We are on day 49 out of a 60-day session, and not a single bad bill that would harm TRS has been filed at this point. There are always a few shell bills that could be filled in with something later, but as of day 49, there's no bad legislation with regard to the teacher retirement system happening in Frankfurt. So that's probably the first year in 15 years or more that we've been able to say that. Also, in terms of both the House and Senate budget, the TRS actuarially required contribution, or ARC, has been fully funded in both the House and Senate proposals for the budget. And the pre-65 medical insurance has been fully funded. And both the House and the Senate propose some additional funding to go to TRS to pay off some existing bonds that have been around for quite a while. So they're accelerating the bond payoff, which will also free up resources for investment. So that's good too. There have been a couple bogus social media posts about TRS. One alleged that TRS had lost 12 out of $13 million in an investment in a Russian bank, when in fact TRS made about $200,000 and sold that investment off prior to the Ukrainian invasion. So that was just a totally incorrect assertion out in social media. And there was another one where someone had gone through the annual financial report and said it looked like that TRS had millions of dollars in rubles, in Russian rubles, but that's not accurate either. The Certified Annual Financial Report, or the CAFR, translates holdings into various different currencies, and those are not rubles that are being held as rubles. That's just a translation of asset value. If it were in rubles, and it's also translated into a number of other currencies in that section. So pretty good news on the TRS front. Thanks a lot. Keep watching your inbox for action newsletters and alerts from JCTA regarding legislation. And please, please, please call your legislators when you get those alerts. Thanks for all you do.